this one I've put some yellow and blue pencil crayon in the background and then just gone on with water to give myself a bit of a background to Daisy. So put a bit of very, very pale blue, it doesn't really matter which blue, in darker bits under the chin, and then going over in the white gouache again with a brush. I'm just building that up, so we've got that very pale yellow ochre background as a first wash, and then in the shadow areas a little bit of blue into there. Highlights on the eyes for some reason aren't coming out that well, so I might have to revert to a little bit of acrylic or let it all dry and then put those in. I'll try and put a little bit more onto the eye there, and you can see I've just put a little tiny thinner wash of gouache to just add that little bit of reflection in the other side of the eye. So again, just keep adding a few hairs here and there to finish her off. And the final thing will be to put the whiskers in, which did have white whiskers, and she didn't have much eyebrows, but she did have one or two. I'm just looking where they are on her photograph. So just about here. White whiskers on a white cap don't show up very well. They show up more on a black cap. So what I might do is to just take a very fine brush with number 0 again. I'll just take a running out of place on my palette. Just want to add 1 or 2 little dots where those whiskers would be. It's not much, only 1 or 2 just to dot those in. It might be a little bit strong, so let's just take those out of it. Just want a mere suggestion. Because she's a white cat. Well, she's black and white, but her face is mainly white. So I think I will probably leave that there for the moment. I might just add a few little touches